Hello you guys, it is Tutorial Tuesday. Thank you for watching Christopher Anthony's Premium Raw Virgin Hair. Today I'm going to wash a closure, Indonesian deep wavy closure. First thing you want to do is detangle. Wide tooth comb, just going to comb it through. Oh, start at the ends, y'all. Always start at the ends, come up to the roots. Alright, my closure is detangled. That's how that looks there. Sorry about the sun glare. Let's see. Gonna move you guys closer to the sink. Okay, so you can see more of what I am doing. Alright, okay, none of me and all of hair. Okay, let's get washing. I'm gonna start with some warm water. Since these just came in from the vendor, I wanna make sure they're nice and clean. So, make sure that you guys can see the sink. I washed the closure of the front and the back of the neck. Spraying the water out. Get the water out. Get some shampoo. Y'all know me, I love my silicone mix. Feel free to use any natural shampoos you like, or whatever you like. Pantene makes a really nice one. I like to wash all the closures in the bundles before I send them out to you guys. Just kind of use my finger right through. Get that shampoo all the way, and then I'm going to comb through it again. Just to make sure I'm getting the shampoo throughout every strand. This Indonesian hair is very thick. The strands are much thicker than the Indian hair. And both Indian and Indonesian, they make really thick frontals and closures anyway. So don't be afraid to comb through it. Your curls will bounce back. You don't have to worry about combing too hard and losing your curls. They'll bounce back. I got to rest it down here. I need some support for myself here, guys. That's much better. Easy to comb through. Okay. That's that. That's with shampoo on it. Okay. Wash that out. All right. Start getting my water to be a little more cooler now. Because looking at the hair wasn't really that dirty. So that's a good thing. I still like to wash them before I ship them out though. Make sure you get all your shampoo out. Get out of delays. Squeeze out excess water. Alright, get my conditioner on there. I use my Silicone Mix brand of conditioner as well. Start at the roots. The base of the cap is where I start. Get water all over the floor. Use whatever your favorite shampoo and conditioner is. Whatever you're in love with. Combing it through.
Okay, point taken. And in the morning, we will start a formal investigation. But tonight, I am going to take the labs to the precinct, and then I am going to call it a night. We'll take the drugs and evidence.
There you go. Very thick. There you go. That's your back. Has a little stretch give, just a little, not much. That's that. Gorgeous. Okay, I usually like to let my conditioner sit in a plastic bag. Kind of in my mind, I'm doing a hot oil treatment. In my mind from back in the day. Put a little more on there. All right, and then I put it in a plastic bag. And just let that kind of sit for a while. So today is my wash and closure day, so I figured I'd do a tutorial for you guys. So here's another closure. Get it ready to wash, but in essence of time of you watching, I am going to go ahead and wash that other one out that I put in the plastic. So I just make believe I had it in there for about 5 to 10 minutes. And then we're gonna come on and get this washed out. I'm gonna wash my shampoo out of my comb. Conditioner, I think was the last thing I used with it. Using cold water now to close your cuticles back up, sealing that moisture. Remove the excess water. Comb through the hair. Show that to you guys, combing from root to tip. Okay, gorgeous hair, clean, beautiful, luscious Indonesian hair, guys. And then I go hang it outside to let it air dry. I don't like to use the blow dryer. I just like to let it air dry naturally. And then there's your curl pop back. Yes, beautiful hair. Love you guys. Mwah. Talk to you soon.